Oh, fix it? There you go. You cooking? You gonna shake it? Are you cooking? That's not a hat. You're silly.
How are we coming?
Oh, sorry. I got distracted. Look, Dad. Look what I found.
Can we wait until after we eat to open anything? Who's that? Is that Mickey?
Can you give Mickey a hug? Oh, that wasn't very nice. Can you tell him you're sorry? Say sorry, Mickey. Did you say sorry? I saw you give him a kiss. Did you say sorry? Say sorry, Mickey. Can you tell him you're sorry? No, I'm not. Oh, you on your pants again? Okay, can you say bye-bye?